welcome to my channel. It's Porsha Marie here, and we're back with another makeup tutorial. Today we are going to be doing the no foundation makeup. So if you want to see how I got this face, continue to watch. Okay, so today we are going to be doing the no foundation routine. So first we're going to go ahead and prep the skin. I'm going to go in with the Bobbi Brown Face Base Moisturizer. This is a very important step, is to hydrate your skin. Because we are not going in with any liquid foundation, but we are going to be using powder foundation. Okay, then we're going to go in with this Cay Skin SPF. Okay, and next we're going to be going in with the Milk Hydro Grip. And we want this to grip onto that powder foundation. So we just need to apply all these products. Push it into the skin. We're going to go ahead and spray the face with the all-nighter. I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Born This Way powder foundation in the shade Chai. And I'm going to use this Real Technique brush. It has like a little slant to it. And we're just going to go ahead and apply this to the face. And we're pressing the product into the face. I'm going to avoid going underneath my eyes, directly underneath. Next, we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. And we're just going to bronze everywhere we usually bronze. Next, we're going to go in with my favorite concealers, and that is the Anastasia concealers in shade 18 and 16. I'm going to get some more of these because I can feel it running low. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and blend out. Now we're going to go ahead and blend out this bronzer. Going upward. Going back in with that foundation brush, and I'm just blending up these ends right there. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and set the face. I'm going to go in with my one size with this beauty blender. And I'm just going to press that in. Then we're just going to take a brush and dust this away. Okay, we're going to go ahead and bronze with the one size Trio in dark. Now just take the first shade in Legendary and just bronze. It looks just like I applied foundation, liquid foundation, y'all. So I'm just going to dab over my nose to blend this all together. I'm going to go in with this NYX Sweet Cheeks and Bang Bang. I'm just going to apply a little bit to the cheeks for a flush of color. Then I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place highlighter. This is the color. I don't know if I will show y'all this color. But it's... I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty lip liner in Strong. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the lipstick in Talented. I'm in with my Sephora Collection Lip Gloss Balm and Cream of the Crop. So pink with a little bit of shimmer. So I added my moles and this is how the face is looking. I'm going to go in with my spray and Urban Decay. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. It looks good. It looks like foundation, but it's not.